Hi, I'm Sage, and it is 4:34, and we are at Century High School.
On May 4th.
On May 4th. We have been growing these bacteria at 35 degrees Celsius for 3 hours shy of 1 week. Here is our no inoculated plates. It means it's just agar, and we can tell that the nutrient agar, which is the yellowish, has been contaminated, and the non-nutrient agar is the blue, but that did not grow anything. If we go over here, this is our control. So this is what we inoculated when the balloon was let go. We inoculated this agar, and right here is our probiotics, this being our E. coli. The difference between our control and our non-inoculation is, yes, there is some contaminated growth, but we do not see this figure and shape here. When we go to our E. coli, we notice there is a white colony that is different because this has striations and this does not. And we also see that there is a yellowish mucus, I'll say, that is growing on our control. So now we go up to our inside of our box and outside of our box, the stuff that went up with our satellite. And the difference we notice here from our control and from our non-inoculation is that on the outside of the box, in the E. coli, we get these white pasty colonies and also a very white colony. We also get a colony like that on our control. And when you go to inside of the box, this is outside of the box. When you go to inside of the box, there's also a white pasty colony. Now, if we go to our probiotics, which is these sets, we notice that there is a different color growth there, and also a very yellowish on inside of the box. And we do not see that in our control or non-inoculated stuff. The surprising part is that when you look at our control for the probiotics and the E. coli, there is little to no growth. The probiotics having a very small colony. But when you go into inside of the box on the non-nutrient agar and the outside of the box on the non-nutrient agar, the probiotics actually had multiple colonies growing, and actually a very big one in the outside of the box. So what we're going to do today is we're going to try to grow a second generation of the E. coli, the white pasty stuff, and we're going to try to make a second generation, and also take a second generation of the yellowish substance in our control to see how the E. coli have grown differently. Thank you.